Thank you, Academy Awards 2026. Now we have something to talk about. I'm founder and artist at OGM Jewelry, so here my take on the jewelry that spoke louder than words on the exquisite red carpet. I'm not here for the millions, the carats, or the kilos of gold. I'm here for the statements, the pieces celebrities used to communicate without saying a single word. Take Leonardo DiCaprio, an extraordinary Oscar winner and an intensely private figure. I'm not going to talk on his platinum Rolex Perpetual 1908, but on the bee brooch, his pin nods to be wild, a science-powered movement under Rewild, where he serves as a founding board member. The symbol represents a global mission to bring the buzz back by restoring pollinators to our cities, gardens, and farms. Is it important? It's viral. Bravo, and a very human thank you to his work. A personal talisman is both a powerful message to yourself and a way to celebrate your own milestones. That's exactly how I read Damson Idris wearing a brooch he designed for himself. His words say it all. I made it specifically for tonight. There's a little F1 engraved in there as good luck. Blue and white diamonds. Is it just design? No, it's a striking fusion of colors and energy, perfect for a speaker, a performer, someone whose power is presentation. The piece that absolutely captivated me is Ciara's necklace. It's a cabochon emerald surrounded by diamonds, bold, distinct, unlike anything else on the carpet. A true 100% statement piece. Costume designer Kate Hawley won the Oscar for her work on Guillermo del Toro's Frankenstein, where she collaborated with Tiffany Co to create the characters on screen jewels. For the ceremony, she continued that story by wearing 3 archival brooches by Jean Schlumberger for Tiffany Co, dating from approximately 1952 to 1970, iconic mid-century designs from the house's heritage collection. Adrien Brody continues his collaboration with Elsa Jin Studio. And this is where jewelry becomes pure meaning. His brooch Ulysses, inspired by the Odyssey, symbolizes the journey of wandering to find your way home. A torn yet resilient sail set with diamonds and centered around a deep blue sapphire. Like an eye searching for truth. This is the kind of piece that doesn't decorate you, it defines you. Choose jewelry that tells your own epic. Colman Domingo wore a diamond-paved serpent bohemian brooch, but the real brilliance was in the styling. Notice how the brooch and the pocket square work together, forming what feels like a single, unified composition on the jacket. Intentional, balanced, almost architectural. Not just an accessory, but a carefully constructed design statement. Shaboozey brought a fresh twist to classic menswear by wearing a pearl tassel necklace from Mikimoto draped at the waist, paired with pearl earrings and the Balenciaga tailcoat. Transforming a necklace into a belt-like accent adds movement, texture, and personality to a black tuxedo. And several stylists leaned into this idea that night. Gentlemen, consider this your permission to experiment. That's it for now. Subscribe to my channel. I'm heading to a natural gemstone exhibition very soon. Tell me in the comments below, what do you love to see from there? Bye-bye!